I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a Flutterflow project and linking Firebase. This is where your app data and auth live. Once done, add Android and iOS apps in Firebase, then download and upload the Google services files into Flutterflow. This enables builds. Next, enable authentication methods you need, email, Google, or phone, so users can sign in securely. Make sure to configure OAuth client ID and redirect URIs, because without them, social sign-in will fail. This step prevents later build error. You now design screens and connect data models so the app behaves. Start by laying out home, profile, and settings pages. Use responsive mode to handle 16:9 and mobile. Then, create Firestore collections and fields that mirror your UI components. This mapping drives lists and detail views. Once data exists, add actions, navigation, queries, and CRUD operations, and use conditional visibility to show or hide elements. Make sure to test each action flow, because early validation prevents complex bugs later. You finish by thoroughly testing and building the project for release. First, use run and test mode to exercise sign-in, navigation, data rights, and offline behavior. Log errors you see. Next, set app metadata, splash screen, app icon, package ID, and trigger Android or iOS builds. If a build fails, inspect Firebase rules, API keys, and action parameters. Often missing permissions or wrong document paths cause errors. Finally, iterate on fixes, rebuild, and once stable, submit to stores or distribute internal builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.